In this video, I will be showing you how to move AI images in Canva. Let's get started. First, I have my AI-generated portrait ready, and now I head over to Canva's home dashboard to start a new project. From the top corner, I click on Create a Design and select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a fresh, blank canvas. Next, I navigate to the left sidebar and click on Uploads. From here, I click the Upload Files button, browse through my downloads to select the AI image I saved, and upload it directly into Canva. Once the image finishes uploading, I click on it to place it onto my canvas. I grab the corner handles and drag them outward to resize the picture, centering it nicely within the frame. With the image selected, I click Edit on the top toolbar to open up Canva's editing panel. From the available tools, I select Magic Layers. Canva will automatically scan the photo, detect all the individual people and objects, and separate them into distinct, editable layers. Now that the image is split into layers, I can freely click and move any subject in the photo. I click on the father and drag him over to the left side, shift the mother to the right, and reposition each of the children independently around the scene. Every person can now be moved, resized, or adjusted without disturbing the rest of the composition, giving you complete creative control over your layout. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to move AI images in Canva.